Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the monitor that you play on OSU. So obviously I'm recording onto my main monitor right here, but if you want to change display, you can easily do that. Head over to the OSU application, click on the giant OSU button, and from here you could just click on setting. Now inside this page, you have two ways in order to do this. You can navigate through graphics, or you could simply search for something like input. And here you will be able to look at the inputs for graphics, which is going to be this one, output devices, and then you could simply search the monitor right here. Or I'm wrong with my keyword. It's going to be display. You could just search for display right here just to make things a lot easier. And then I'm using two monitors. The first one is going to be the 24E3, and my second one is going to be the 227W. So just select your monitor and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.